Class 8 English English Reader Chapter 1 Before the Match मैच के पहले. In this chapter, Swami and his are excited preparation for a big cricket match that feels like the most important events of their lives. However, Swami's responsibility at home create a challenge as he tries to meet his father's expectation while still following his passion. Read this adapted version of R.K. Narayan Swami and Friends to discover how Swami navigates this dilemma. Dilemma. Section 1. Swaminathan, fondly known as the Swami among his friends, was a lively young boy residing in the quaint town of Malgudi with heat dotted road, bustling market, and the serene Sarau river flowing by. Malgudi was a place where every day brought new adventure. Was attending the Albert Mission School, where studies were rigorous and discipline discipline was strict, yet amidst the academic pressure, Swami harbored and deep passion for cricket. Cricket was not just a game for Swami and his friend, it was a way of life. The sport brought them together, fostering camaraderie and excitement that broke the monotony of their daily routines. The most awaited events of the session was the upcoming cricket match against the Young Men's Union and Formidable from a neighbouring towns. This match was more than a game. It was a matter of pride and prestige of the boy of Malgudis. Rajaman, new student in school and the son of a police superintendent, was a captain of their team. He was charismatic, confident, and possessed an air of authority that made others look up to him. Razam was determined to lead his team to victory. We must practice every day without fail, he declared during one of their meetings under the banyan tree. Discipline, discipline and hard work are the keys to winning. Swami enthusiasm knew no bounds, but he was acutely aware of the obstacle that lay ahead. His evenings were typically consumed by homework and studies, supervised strictly by his Swami. Swami's father was a stern man who valued education above all else. Your studies are your foremost responsibility. He often reminded Swami, games are fine, but they must not interfere with your academics. As the match drew closer, Rajam intensified the practice sessions. Swami, you must improve your bowling, he insisted. Your speed in is good, but your accuracy needs work. Swami nodded and earnestly anger to contribute to the team success. However, attending daily practice seemed increasingly impossible under his father's watchful eyes. late his team down, Swami decided to approach his father with a request that evening after dinner. He mustered the courage to speak. Father, may I excuse from my evening studies for this week? He asked hesitantly. We have important cricket match and I need to practice with the team. His father prepared prayed at him over the rim for his glasses, his expression unreadable, and why should your studies suffer because of a game? Include 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 Father, it's not just any game, it's the match against the Young Man Union. Live, we live been preparing for it all years, Swami explained earnestly. But his father was unmoved. Your education is far more important than a cricket match. I cannot allow to neglect your studies. He starting firmly. Disheartened, Swami retreated to his room. He knew convincing his father was a lost cause. As he lay in the bed he contemplated he his predicament, the thought of letting his team down was unbearable. There must be a way he whispered to himself. The next day at school, Swami said he was with the closest friends, Mani and Shankar. I cannot attend the practice seasons. Father won't allow it, he lamented. Many ever the problem solver against it. Why don't you come after finishing your homework? Swami shook his head. By the team I I am done. It's too late. Bassett's father checked on me constantly. Pon- Shankar pondered for a moment. Perhaps you cloud pretend to be sick and get sent home early. Section 2. An idea spared in Swami mind. It was risky, but desperation drawn him. During the arithmetic class, Swami raised his hand. Sir, I have a survey head HA, he said, clutching his forehead dramatically. The teacher, known for her impatience, glanced at him spectacly. Sit down, Swaminathan. Don't disturb the class. Swami persisted. Please, sir, I feel very unwell. With a sign, the teacher relented. Fine, go to infirmary. Infirmary. Swami hurried out of the classroom, but instead he heading to the infirmary, he made a beginning for a playground where his team was already practicing. He heart raced with a mix or mix of guilt and excitement. His excitement, this is for the team he required himself. The practice season was exhilarating. Swami boiled with newfound vigor and Razam praised his improvement. Well done, Swami. Keep this up and well ulcerely when he exclaimed. However, Swami joy and short lived. Unbeknownst to him, his father had returned home early and upon discovery His son's absence grew concerned. After making inquiries, he learned that Swami had left school due to illness. Worried, he set out to find him. When Swami returned in home that evening, humming a cheerful tune, he was startled to find his father waiting at the doorstep. The stern expression on his father's face, sent a chill down his spine. Where have been Swaminathan? His father demanded. Swami hesitated. I was not feeling well, so I came home. He stammered. Is that so? Then why were you not at home when I arrived? His father praised. Caught in his eye, Swami lowered his eyes. I am sorry, father. I went to cricket practice. His father's disappointment was palpable. You lied to your teacher and to me. This is unacceptable behavior. Swami felt a lump in his throat. I did not mean to deceive you. I just did not want to let the team down. Deception is not the way of achieve your goals. His father admonished. Honesty and integrity are far more important than any game. Swami nodded silently, tears welling in his eyes. After a moment of contemplation, his father singed, I understand that this match means a lot to you, but you must also understand the importance for your studies. Swami looked up hopefully. I do, father. I promise to focus on my studies. His father placed a hand on his shoulder. If you, if you, कहाँ गया? If you can prove to me that you can manage your time and not neglect your schoolwork, I will allow you to attend the practice season. I smiled. A smiling broke across Swami's face. Thank you, father. I won't let you down. True to his word, Swami dedicated himself to balancing his responsibility. He woke up early to complete his homework and paid extra attention in his to minimize his workload at home. In the evening, he practiced diligently diligently with his team. Rajam noticed a change in Swami. You are doing great. Swami kept it up. He engrossed. Section 3. A boy at the as the days of the match approached, the entire team was brimming with confidence. The boys wore their uniforms with pride, each one determined to give their best performance. On the morning of the match, Swami felt a mix of nervousness, nervousness and excitement. His mother prepared a special breakfast, and his father wished him luck. Remember, play fair and do your best, he advised. The cricket ground was abused, abused with energy. Spectators from both towns filled the stand, and the air thick with anticipation. The young man union team looked imposing. But Swami and his teammate were undeterred. Razam won the toss and decided to bat first. The opening batsmen set a solid foundation and the team scored Stanley instantly. When it was Swami turn to bat, he took a deep breath and walked onto the pitch. The crowd's cheers faded into the background as he focused on the bowlers. The first few balls were challenging, but Swami held his ground. Then came a delivery that was slightly off target. Seizing the s- opportunity, Swami swung his bat and sent the ball scoring over the boundary. The crowd erupted in applause. Excellent shot, Razam shoot from the sideline. Swami's confidence soared. He added valuable runs to the scoreboard before being caught out as the returning to the pavilion. His teammate congratulated him on his performance. When it was time to field, Swami was assigned to a crucial position. The young men's union batsmen were strong and the game grew tense. The opponent opponents were closing in on the target score. In a pivotal moment, the star batsman of the opposing team hit a powerful shot. The ball streaked through the air towards Swami. Reacting instinctively, he leaped forward and caught the ball firmly in his hand. Out the umpire declared. Cheers erupted from Swami's team and their supporters. The dismissal of the Keys batsmen turned the tide of the game. The young man Union team struggled to recover, and soon the final wicket fell, fall, fell. Wicket fell. Victory belonged to Swami and his team. They celebrated with exuberant suits and embraced each other jubilantly. The spectators congratulated them, and even the opposing team acknowledged their well deserved win. win. Razam gathered the team together. This victory is the result of hard work and dedication. I am proud of each one of you, he declared. Swami felt a deep sense of accomplishment. The challenges he faced seemed distant compared to the joy of these moments. As he glanced together the stand, he spotted his father watching him with a subtle smile. Swami waved and his father nodded appreciatively. Section 4. That evening at home, the atmosphere was celebratory. You played very well together, his father remarked during dinner. Thank you, father, Swami replied modern, modestly. I must say you have shown great responsibility. These past few days, his father continued, balancing your studies and your passion in not easy, but you leave manage it well. Swami beamed with pride. I realized that with proper planning, I can make time for both. His father nodded. Remember this lesson, Swaminathan. hard work and balances are important in all aspects of life. I will, Father Swami promised. As the night settled in, Swami reflected on the events of the past week. He understood that the success was not just about winning a game but also about personal growth and integrity. The supporting of his father and friends had been invaluable. The next day at his school, Swami was greeted with admiration from the classmates. Even the teachers acknowledged the team's achievement. Life in Malgudi continued with its usual rhythm, but for Swami everything felt a little brighter. Mani clapped him on the way back. You are a hero now, Swami. Don't let it get to your head. Sankar teased naturedly. Swami laughing, I could not have done it without all of you. Rajam approaching them, we should started planning for the next match. He suggested. Swami grinned obsoletely, but this time I will make sure to manage my time better for the start. The boy chatted animatedly about their future plans, their voices filled his optimism. Swami knew that challenges would come and go, but with determination and the support of those around he could face them confidently. He As he walked home that afternoon, the sun casting and the sun casting a warm glow over Malgudi, Swami felt content. The world was full of possibility and he was ready to embrace them all. R. K. Narayan adapted. हो गया.